In most countries, mussels are an everyday food. But in New Zealand, a unique native species, the green-lipped mussel, has become a premium export admired by chefs and consumers worldwide. Clean water, strict environmental rules, and a naturally slow-growing species have pushed its value far beyond ordinary shellfish. Today, New Zealand ships over 60,000 tons of these mussels each year, supplying high-end markets across Asia, Europe, and North America. Their price can reach $25 to $40 per pound, reflecting not only taste, but the cost of protecting the pristine waters they depend on. This story explores how a simple mussel grown in one of the world's purest marine environments became a symbol of sustainable farming and global culinary demand. At the northern tip of New Zealand's South Island lies the Marlborough Sounds, a maze of calm bays and emerald inlets where the water is so clear you can see the seafloor. No factories, no polluted runoff, barely any shipping routes, just pristine ocean fed by cold southern currents rich in natural nutrients. This untouched environment creates ideal conditions for green-lipped mussels to grow without antibiotics, chemicals, or artificial feed. The species is native to New Zealand alone, and every attempt to farm it overseas has failed, making it not just seafood, but a biological treasure found nowhere else. To protect this uniqueness, New Zealand enforces some of the strictest aquaculture standards on the planet. Each farm must maintain controlled stocking density and perfect water quality, a model built around purity and ecological balance. Mussel farming here relies entirely on nature. Juvenile mussels attach themselves naturally to ropes suspended from floating platforms. These ropes hang several feet below the surface, keeping the mussels away from mud and bacteria on the seabed. They grow by filtering up to 25 liters of seawater a day, an act that both nourishes them and cleans the ocean at the same time. Over 12 to 18 months, they thicken their shells, build firm meat, and slowly reach market size. Throughout the journey, farmers monitor growth by hand. Undersized mussels are gently removed, and only healthy, consistently shaped adults are kept. No industrial shortcuts, no forced growth. Just the rhythm of the ocean shaping every shell. When the mussels reach full size, usually after 12 to 18 months, the harvest begins. In the calm blue waters of Marlborough Sounds, boats move slowly along each farming line, pulling heavy ropes packed with thousands of mussels from the sea. Every part of the work is done by hand. Farmers scrape away seaweed, remove damaged shells, and sort each mussel with practiced precision. Experienced workers can judge quality just by weight, the firmness of the shell, or even the distinct clicking sound when two mussels touch. Instead of industrial machinery, this process relies on rhythm teamwork and careful handling. The goal is simple: deliver mussels intact, clean, and alive. Once cleaned, the mussels are transferred into chilled seawater tanks on board. Here, the temperature drops to just above freezing, placing them into a natural dormant state that keeps them alive and fresh until the boat reaches shore. For New Zealand's mussel farmers, harvesting is not just work. It's a craft that honors both tradition and the sea. Each morning in the Marlborough Sounds, the harvest begins quietly. Farmers pull up long mussel ropes, each one heavy with thousands of mature, green-lipped mussels clinging tightly along every inch. Because shells are fragile and young mussels can fall off easily, the entire job is done by hand with careful, practiced movements. Workers clean each rope on the deck, removing moss debris and dead shells using small knives and brushes. Only mussels with tightly closed shells and firm weight are selected. No machines can replace this process. It takes the eye and touch of experienced farmers to judge whether a mussel is ready for export quality production. This is why New Zealand mussels maintain a reputation for exceptional consistency. Every batch is literally hand-chosen at sea. Once the mussels arrive at the processing facility, the race against time begins. Workers rinse each mussel in clean seawater, removing any debris before sending them through automated lines. Here, the mussels are lightly steamed shelled or kept whole, depending on the product type. Using IQF rapid freeze technology, every mussel is chilled individually in just minutes, locking in its natural sweetness and firmness without preservatives. From there, robotic arms sort and pack the mussels into boxes lined with gel ice, each labeled with full traceability from farm site to harvest date. Whether shipped as live half-shells, ready-to-cook portions, or premium smoked mussels, every box is handled through a cold chain system that keeps the product at peak freshness all the way to Tokyo, Sydney, or New York. Despite its global success, the industry faces growing environmental pressure. Warmer seas, Harmful algal blooms and shifts in water quality threaten production, making sustainability more urgent than ever. New Zealand's response is technology-driven. Satellite tracking, underwater sensors, and strict ecological rules ensure farms remain clean and low impact. Mussels themselves help by naturally filtering seawater, turning each farm into part of a larger restoration effort. The future of green-lipped mussels depends on balance. Not producing more, but producing responsibly, protecting both the species and the pristine bays that make this seafood possible. Each harvest becomes a reminder that true value lies in long-term care for the ocean. New Zealand's green-lipped mussels are expensive, not just because of their taste, but because they are grown in some of the world's cleanest waters, harvested by hand, and protected by strict environmental standards. Each mussel represents a harmony between nature and careful stewardship. A reminder that true quality comes from patience, respect for the ocean, and a commitment to sustainable farming.